Today, we're going to look at how to use the List Manager in Eventgroove. First, log into your Eventgroove account. Select Manage Events, then select an event. From this page, you'll see the List Manager in the left menu. This is the List Manager. From here, you can add and remove contacts, create contact lists, organize contacts by tag, and export contacts to our products system in order to create postcard mailers. Let's start by adding some contacts. To do this, select Import, then select a CSV file, and click Upload. Our system will automatically map your headers to data in our system, but check to make sure that these mappings are correct and modify as necessary. Then click Import. Next, let's organize these contacts by tag. To do this, either select Tags at the top of the screen, or select the contacts you want to tag, and click the Add to Tag button. Name your tag and click Create. Now let's create a list. You can create a list by selecting contacts or by using tags to add contacts to a list. To assign contacts directly to a list, select your contacts and click Add to List. To add contacts from a tag, select a tag and click Add Tagged Contacts to List. Now that we know how to create lists, let's look at how we can use them. The first option for using a list is to create postcard mailers. To create a postcard mailer, go to the Lists tab. Select your list and click Export List to Products System. Click through each screen and then select View Postcard Mailer Products. Once you select a design, you'll be directed to the Products system to customize your postcard. Select your list, customize your postcard, and click Continue to create your order. The next option for using a list is to send an invitation email. Before we can start sending emails, we'll need to connect the List Manager with our email service. To do this, go to Integrations in the left menu. Scroll down to Eventgroove List Manager and select Set up access to my account. Once your account is connected, you can start sending emails. To get started, go to your events, select an event, and then select Email Invites in the left menu. After you've customized your email, scroll down to Add New Invitee Email Addresses and select Option 3, Invite Contacts from the List Manager service. Select your list and click Invite Contacts. And that's it. We hope this will help you take your event marketing to the next level.